Most students try to revise all of AS chemistry equally, but the exam doesn't give every topic the same weight, and you shouldn't either. Here are tips that can turn Unit 1 chemistry into the easiest AS exam. First, start early. Give yourself around 5 weeks of revision. Most of AS chemistry is skill-based, and those skills require time to build. Second, don't follow the syllabus order. Start with your weaker areas first, so you can move quickly into solving full papers. Prioritize stoichiometry and organic chemistry. These are the most heavily weighted topics. Spend more time here and you'll find that your grade rises immediately. Focus on written questions first. MCQs are trickier and require sharper understanding. Build that understanding with the written practice and then move to the MCQs. For topics like bonding and atomic structure, stop wasting hours memorizing. Solve questions with open notes first. You'll find that the details slowly stick in your mind and soon you don't need that textbook. And if you're taking the January exam, I'll be running a full revision course with live classes, notes, solved past papers, quizzes. In addition, I'll be marking your mock exams. If you'd like to join, click the link below. Moving to the next tip. Organic mechanisms are essential. They appear in every past paper. Draw them on flashcards so you can revise them regularly. Next, start solving from 2019 until 2025. That gives you almost 20 papers to schedule across the final month. While solving, bookmark and highlight your mistake. This becomes your personal study guide for the final week. Find your own exam strategy. Some students follow the exam order, others complete the written section first. Practice until you know which approach saves you more time and reduces stress. Save at least 2 to 3 papers per mock exams in the final week, but do not solve those mocks in the night of the exam. Finally, aim to finish each one of those mock exams 70 to 80 minutes. This gives you enough time to review your work. I hope that this was helpful and I wish you best of luck in your upcoming exams.